Hello everyone, welcome to IC Training Nepal, and it's been a long that I haven't uploaded the video, and so this is the episode 11, Learn Laravel from scratch. So let's get started. Okay. So this is the front end page, and up to now I think we have this much only. So let's go to the back end here. Admin dashboard, I guess, means admin panel. Okay, not found. So admin / dashboard. Okay, so what happened is this is not found. Okay, so it's been long and I have also forgotten. So for that, what you can do is just do ctrl and t and search the web, and then you will know where to redirect. So we have the dashboard here. Okay, so only dashboard. Okay, so dashboard. Okay, so we have the dashboard here, and in the dashboard what we have is we have the product controller, product image, and payment and customer details, payments, contact, so company contact and customer form. So here the company contact means the company contact things. Okay, so and here the customer form. Okay, so this is the this is maybe the company contact of, like, let's go and see here. So this may be from this side, this is the contact, I guess. So in the contact page, okay, so we have the contact page, I guess, previously, but before that let's make the two things. Okay, so and I have also uploaded the things in the public here, so you can just go and see in the public, front end, and then index page. Okay, so that it will be easy for you. And in the contact page, let's go and see here, we have these things. Okay, so for this I think we have already made it or not. Let's go and see which we have made it. So we have the customer details here. Okay, customer details, we have these things, and we have the payments things. Okay, we have the payments things also ready. So we have product category also ready, and product is also ready. So another thing is the product image is also ready, I guess. So in the, okay, so in it is also ready. Okay, so what we can do is just go and we have to make the company contact and the customer form. Okay, so the two things we have to make here, this contact and the customer forms first, and after making this we can go towards the front end section today. Okay, so let's go and make it. So we have here these things: dashboard, customer details, payment controller, customer, product. We have the product also, contact form. Okay, so these two things I think I have not done here. So for that, let's go and make dashboard, contact. So let's see, we have made the contact controller. So we have the contact controller, so we have the contact controller. Then in the contact form contact form. So we have the contact form controller. Okay, so if you have not subscribed the channel, then you can subscribe it. And let's see what are the comments here. So how to complete this project in e-commerce website? You only work with the backend but front end. So for that you have to wait for a while. So here's the another comment. What about the contact and the client form? So I'm making this now. Okay, so the front end will come soon. Okay, so don't worry for that, just subscribe it and hit the bell icon also. So let's go towards not this IC training Nepal. Okay, so here you can subscribe it. Okay, so let's go towards here. Okay, so we have these forms. Okay, so for the two things, first of all let's go and see what we have made in all other things. Okay, so I think we have a migration also maybe. So contact controller, let's go here. Okay, so contact controller, so it is blank, right? So contact model, let's go location, email address and phone. Okay, so contact control, location, email address and phone. So here what you can do is return view, and you can just go and make contact. Okay, so website dot backend dot contact and dot. So here you can just okay, so backend contact and index maybe, right? Okay, so here you can just see compact and then in the index just make it like contact. Okay, so what you can do is like contact equal to contact, and also this is the model we are fetching the data in the index file. Okay, so in the contact index, let's see here. So here what you can do is just change this one contact, and the upper one also. Let's see what we have here. So we need to be like, okay, let's don't go there. Let's see here, this is the what you can do is what we have in the contact only. We have to see these things first. Okay, so for that let's go and see the contact. Oh, sorry, contact. We have location, email address and phone. Location, email address and phone. So we don't need this one for now. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, address, email, location, email address and phone. So here we have location, here we have email, here we have address, and here phone. So these things done here, and here you can do is like product contact dot edit and id contact dot destroy. Okay, so for that you can just see in the web also if you confused. Contact we have it. Okay, so save this one. It may save it automatically, so it also done. Okay, so everything is right here. Contact here also, contact dot create. Okay, done, right? Contact dot create add contact. So in this section especially we don't need to add the contact every time. Okay, so this is only for the add section, so you can just delete the add one or you can do as you wish. Okay, so let's see. In the contact controller we have these things we have made like in the index page. So let's create the contact. Okay, so for that what we need is we don't need this select section, so for that just delete it. You can just delete this select section. Okay, so this section I'm going to delete this section. In for each and these things, so we don't need these things here. Okay, so here we have like item group, product category, we don't need this product category. So what we need is location, email address and phone. Okay, so the first one is the location. Here we have the location, and let's make the name location, id location, and here we have the email. So for email what you can do is like here you can just type email and address and the phone number. Okay, so we have the another one section called the address. So here will be the address. We don't need the text area now, but you can use it the text area as a address. Okay, so let's make it here address, and we have name also address. Okay, so these things okay done. So we have the text id also address, and here address, and the other one you can just do it is called the phone number. Okay, so for that let's go and paste, and let's see the phone number here. So phone text, you can just use text here, and phone and phone. So the 4 things is done, I guess. So in the product you can just use the contact, create contact, right? We are in the contact. Okay, so we don't need to show in the update section, so you can just copy the create section. Okay, you can just copy it from the form, right? It will be good if you copy from the form. Just copy it, and then you need to paste it. Okay, maybe I will copy from the form. Okay, so just copy from the form. Okay, and then in the update section, just what you can do is this form section, just delete it here and paste it here, and what you can do is here @method, and we have the method called put method. Okay, to update. So save these things here, update contact, which we need is this one. Okay, so update one, we need to do this in the update one. Okay, so for that we don't need to do anything at all here, everything is okay, I guess. Okay, so let's go towards the contact form. Okay, so in the index page of the contact form, let's go towards it. You can do this also, so I have just said that you can try it. Okay, so here I'm going to do it. So in the index page, okay, so first of all let's go to the contact update. Okay, here also you can do something here. Okay, that I have just forgot. What you have to do is go to the form first. Okay, so here route. Okay, so here what you have to do is route what this called contact and update. Okay, so update, and here you can just use the contact, which I will going to make it, I will going to make it this. Okay, so don't worry, contact ID in the update section, and here also you can just specify some of the things called, here we have the other thing which is not the location one, this will be the value. Okay, so the value will be like, so I have not done till now. Okay, so but I will put it the contact, I'll show you why I have doing it. Okay, so don't be confused it, these things we have to call from the controller. Okay, so don't get confused on that. input type, so everything is right here. So here location, and the other one is here also we have value. Okay, so value we have is, I'm going to copy this one and paste it here, and here email. Okay, so the other one is here we have text area. So in the text area what you can do is you can specify value by other things, or contact, you can just use it here, address, and in the phone also you need to do is like value and contact, sorry, this will be here maybe. Okay, so sorry, laptop is also hanging here. Okay, so I know what's going on nowadays because of the lockdown, everything is not working well. Okay, so phone. Okay, but I am trying my best to show you and to solve your problems, so don't forget to subscribe, and the main thing is don't forget to support. Okay, so sometimes the video will come late, but that doesn't mean this channel don't do much. Okay, so because of the technical problem the video came late. Okay, so it will be coming soon and sooner. So what we especially need, or what I especially need, is your mainly your support. Okay, to motivate myself. So we have these things, and maybe we have done this one. So in the create also just do like that. Okay, so for example what you can do is here is in the create, you first of all this thing, this one you have to delete this one. Okay, so we don't need this, the form group. Okay, so here what we need is, first of all let's go the upper side here, maybe here anything here. I don't think I have found something. Okay, what's going on? So okay, so let's change it here, contact form. So we don't need the create, by the way, because the create will be done by the front end. Okay, but also let's do it. So let's search first of all contact form, message form, name, email, subject. Okay, so in the create, okay, message form, in the text area we have message form, so name also message form. So we have this message form, name, email, subject, right? So name, we have the name. Okay, name and name. Here also in text also message form, message. Okay, so name, emails. So here we can do subject and subject and here subject. So the other thing is, and we have here the create blade. Okay, so let's see the create blade. So name, email, subject and message. Okay, so we have create form. So name, email, name, we have here name, subject, email, message, and we need one called email. Okay, so email. So for that, let's copy this one, let's paste it here, and let's type the name called email. Okay, so here also email, here also email. Okay, so we have this email also, and message also. So let's, okay, we have made the email one. Okay, everything is fine, right? Okay, and the create the form, these things are done here. So what we need is the index. Okay, so the index one here, what we can do is, these things is the contact form. Okay, dot create. Okay, so maybe this is the thing that, so here also contact form. So this will we will be specifying this from the other one. Okay, so here also we don't need these things, and this is the variable. Okay, and here we can do is contact form, message and name. So email, here will be the subject and message. So message, I think the message form. Okay, so message form. So if you have not seen my video, okay, previously, so please, I want to say that please look at my previous videos so that you will understand how I am working on this project. Okay, and we don't have these things, so we have the contact form dot edit, and we have contact form dot destroy, and we have this ID. Everything is right here. Okay, so in the update section also, what I'm going to do is here, like update contact forms. Okay, forms. So here let's go, and I don't need this select section, this section. Okay, so I need this section. So here the thing is, we need to make the product name. Okay, to the name, here also we don't need product contact form. Okay, so here name, and the other one is the price. In the price we need to change it to the email, and then email, and then contact form email. Okay, so here we need the message. So the ID will be the message form, and this will be the message form too. And then what will happen is, like, let's go and make the contact form, and here we need the message form. So the last one is the subject one, which I think we have not done here. So I'm going to say once again, so in this object and create we can do from the front end. Okay, so this is for the front end, so don't worry on that. Okay, so subject, and here also subject, and here also subject, here also we have the subject. So everything is right here, and here we need to make subject, here email, here we have in the description, right, where the description section, so user message, and here we have the name. Okay, so we need to change it in this also. So we have here is the contact form, we have here is the contact form. Okay, so okay, done, these things also done here. Now let's go towards the create section. No, we need to have the section called in the back end. Okay, so customer form, maybe we had made the custom details, right? We have made it or not. If we have not made the custom details, then we need to make it. Okay, we have made these things. So we have here these two things. Okay, so let's go and see. We have made it or not. Okay, so for that, first of all, let's go to web. Let's see, we have contact and contact form. We have everything all right here. Let's go to the contact controller. Okay, first, and let's create here. So contact, create, and then okay, we don't need the create things here. So what we need here is return view. So website backend contact create. Okay, so we in the store section, what we can do is just say that we have the contact, and what we can do is create, and just say that what we will be doing is request and all. Okay, so it means I am sending everything in the store. Okay, so after that, what we are going to do is return redirect, maybe. Let's see. Okay, so if you feel some distress fraction or anything, just you can return that and route. Okay, so let's go towards the route. So route, and we have contact.index. Okay, so in the edit section, what we can do is return view and website update. Okay, so we need to the update section. So here what we can do is compact and just say contact. Okay, so here we have contact equal to contact all. Okay, so we have return view, everything here, and compact also here. Okay, so in the update section, what we can do is like, what we can do is contact and update. So here request all. So okay, so here also what we can do here is like return redirect and then contact.index redirect route. Okay, so return redirect. Okay, redirect, redirect maybe. So custom details return redirect. Okay, so we have here these things in the update section. So in the delete section, just you can just copy this one, delete it, and just paste it also, or you can do it. Okay, so here we have the contact and we have the contact.index. Okay, so here, okay, everything is right here. Okay, so everything is done. So let's see here what will happen. We have the contact. So the page you write. So okay, we have the contact here, we have the air contact, new location abcd@gmail.com, new address, location, email address, and phone. 2 3 4 5 7 989898. Okay, so here also maybe this is the phone, right? So this, I don't know what, there's a lot of thing violation here. So these things happens, right? So for that, what you can do is just see here. Okay, so in the create section, right? So what happened here is we just pass the value product.store. Okay, so we need to pass the value to contact.store. Okay, so let's refresh it, and okay, so location, new location, email, admin, so address, new address, and submit. Okay, we have these things. Okay, so contact also done. Okay, so this is the contact things. Okay, so the contact form. Okay, we have to make customer main. Another thing is the contact form also we have to do. So before that, okay, we just need to just tick here mainly. Okay, so for the customer form, what we can easily do it is like contact form or customer form. Okay, they are maybe they are the same. Okay, so contact form controller. So here we have contact form, and contact form. Okay, so let's make the f is big. Okay, so that it won't be messy. So contact form, so contact form we have controller and equal to contact form and we just call model and return view website contact index and then compact to the contact form. Okay, so in the index and in the create also you just need to create it. Okay, so just copy this one, paste this one, create, just delete this one. So in the store what you can do is like contact form not save contact form create and then request all. So we have these things here, and in the edit section we have just copy this one and paste here, and we have the update. So what we can do here is compact and just send this one to the contact form. Okay, so here let's see contact form. Contact form, contact form, contact form, contact form, contact form, contact form, and contact form. Okay, so save this one. And the thing is, this thing's also done. So for the contact form, another thing what we can do is go to the layouts and the sidebar, and we have the company contact. So for that, contact and customer form, contact form. Okay, so okay, so let's go and check it out. Just refresh it, go and let's see the customer form. The contact form dot create is not defined. Okay, so I think we have to, I had to do this one also. So contact form, so in the contact form, let's see the create one, and let's see the index one, and let's see the contact form. Let's see here, contact form, contact form, and then let's refresh it. So this is called the not defined. Okay, dot create. So where that create, so this is not defined. Okay, so the single spring also make your mistakes. Okay, so we have a company contact here. Okay, so these things run. Okay, so let's go towards the product category. Okay, so I'm going to make one category called watches. So submit that category, and I'm going to just make one product. So we have two products already. So what I'm going to do here is product image. Okay, let's make one product image. Okay, let's watch image title Rolex. Let's see any kind of pictures where we have. So Rolex. So what I'm going to do is like just copy this product from here, save as the Rolex. Okay, So we can do what we can do is go to the downloads and Rolex. Just okay, we have this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is we need to make sure. Okay, let's go to the front end. So maybe we have the front end also. Okay, we have here. So in the main page we don't need this main page. Okay, we need, I think, so in the main page what we can do is like, okay, so the new product is start here. So in this section, okay, so this section maybe we can just change this section. So here what I am going to do is for each, okay, and product as pro in for each. So here what we can do is like, this will be the product, right? Please see that I'm working in this files. Okay, so this is the front end things file. So I have an for each product as pro. Okay, so pro and in for each here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, let's make this one pro, sorry, so we have is pro name. So let's see the product. We have the product. Okay, so name, okay, product name, price, category ID, product description. So we need now the product. So what we need is the product name, okay, and what we need here is the price. So we have pro price, and so here what we can do is just, I have not done those product details things. Okay, so I have not made this HTML page for now, not for now. Okay, so for now we have just the main page only. We can make the further details. Okay, so next time. So for now let's see the product and the price, so it will come or not. Okay, maybe it will not come because we don't have the front end controller. Maybe have we made the front end controller? We have the home controller, we have the contact form backend controller. So let's see the front end which we have done with the controller. Okay, so here you can see the front end. We have directly viewed. Okay, so for the front end also, let's make one controller. So I'm going to make one controller called front end controller. Okay, so it's your choice, you can just name it as your way, but for now I'm going to make call the PHP artisan make controller, and the controller name will be the front end controllers 20 ROLER, and we need the resources. Okay, maybe this resource. Okay, I don't know, just let's see. Okay, so resource the controller created successfully. We have this controller, front-end controller, and in the index file we can just say return view and website dot front-end dot front-end dot, we can make the main also, or the home, or make also. For now just layouts dot main. So here everything we will write here. Okay, so for now what we can just do is just normally we will make like the product on, sorry, not product, we have, yeah, maybe we have product, right? Product, so product equal to product and all, right? So we have compact and product. So let's see it will work or not. If it works, you try the rest. Okay, and in the next lecture we will be doing more. Okay, so let's see here. It will be in the, it may be, so in for it, so unexpected. Okay, so the thing is in for it is called the unexpected. So in the index file, let's see, not this main file. Okay, so in for it, okay, the two in for it is here, that is fine. Okay, let's refresh it again. Let's refresh it again. We have the undefined variable called product, right? PRDUCT with PRODUCT. So undefined variable called product. Okay, so these things happened because the thing is in the wave we have not changed anything, right? So here also you can just comma and do it the same things which we have done it, but that will be not good. Okay, so just copy this one and paste it here. We don't need this, and it will be the front-end controller, front-end controller, and it will be the website dot index. Okay, so Let's refresh it, and we have here, maybe it should come. Okay, so let's wait for it. And new arrival though, let's watch. Okay, so we have a lot of watch. Okay, so we haven't put it the picture here. Okay, so for today this much only. Just try to do it, and I will be adding and doing more logic in the next tutorial. So thank you so much for watching the video, and yes, I'll be uploading the video, so keep watching. I should train Nepal.